Chapter 3, Consumer Disputes Redressal Agencies. Establishment of Consumer Disputes Redressal Agencies. There shall be established for the purposes of this Act the following agencies, namely a Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum to be known as District Forum, established by the state government, provided that the state government may, if it deems fit, establish more than one district forum in a district. A Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission to be known as State Commission, established by the state government, the state by notification, and a National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, established by the state government by notification. Each district forum consists of a person who is or has been or is qualified to be a district judge, who shall be its president. Two other members who shall be persons of ability, integrity and standing, and have adequate knowledge or experience of or have shown capacity in dealing with problems relating to economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration, one of whom shall be a woman. Every appointment under subsection 1 shall be made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee, consist of the following, namely President of the State Commission, Chairman, Secretary, Law Department of the State, Member, Secretary in charge of the department dealing with consumer affairs in the state, Member. Every member of the district forum shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier, and shall not be eligible for reappointment, provided that a member may resign his office in writing under his hand addressed to the state government, and on such resignation being accepted, his office shall become vacant and may be filled by the appointment of a person possessing any of the qualification in relation to the category of the member who has resigned. The salary or honorarium and other allowance payable to and the other terms and conditions of service of the members of the district forum shall be such as may be prescribed by the state government. Jurisdiction of the district forum. Subject to the other provisions of this Act, the district forum shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of the goods or services or the compensation, if any, claimed. A complaint shall be constituted in a district forum within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the opposite party or each of the opposite parties, where there are more than one, at the time of the institution of the complaint, actually or voluntarily resides or carries on business or personally works for gain. Any of the opposite parties, where there are more than one, at the time of the institution of the complaint, actually and voluntarily resides or carries on business or personally works for gain, provided that in such case either the permission of the district forum is given, or the opposite parties who do not reside or carry on business or personally work for gain, as the case may be, acquiesce in such institution, or the cause of wholly or in part arise. Manner in which complaint shall be made. A complaint in relation to any goods sold or delivered or agreed to be sold or delivered, or any service provided or agreed to be provided, may be filed with the district forum by the consumer to whom such goods are sold or delivered or agreed to be sold or delivered, or such services provided or agreed to be provided. Any recognized consumer association where the consumer to whom the goods sold or delivered or agreed to be sold or delivered, or services provided or agreed to be provided, is a member of such association or not. One or more consumers where there are numerous consumers having the same interest, with the permission of the district forum, on behalf of or for the benefit of all consumers so interested, or the central or the state government. For the purposes of this action, recognized consumer association means any voluntary consumer association registered under the Companies Act 1956 or any other law for the time being in force. Procedure on receipt of complaint. The district forum shall, on receipt of a complaint, if it relates to any goods, refer a copy of the complaint to the opposite party mentioned in the complaint, directing him to give his version of the case within a period of 30 days or such extended period not exceeding 15 days as may be granted by the district forum. Where the opposite party, on receipt of a complaint referred to him, denies or disputes the allegations contained in the complaint, or omits or fails to take any action to represent his case within the time given by the district forum, the district forum shall proceed to settle the consumer dispute in the manner specified in clauses C to G. Where the complaint alleged a defect in the goods which cannot be determined without proper analysis or test of the goods, the district forum shall obtain a sample of the goods from the complainant, seal it and authenticate it in the manner prescribed, and refer the sample so sealed to the appropriate laboratory along with a direction that such laboratory make an analysis or test, whichever may be necessary, with a view to finding out whether such goods suffer from any defect alleged in the complaint or from any other defect, and to report its findings thereon to the district forum within a period of 45 days of the receipt of the reference, or within such extended period as may be granted by the district forum. Before any sample of the goods is referred to any appropriate laboratory under class C, the district forum may require the complainant to deposit to the credit of the forum such fees as may be specified for payment to the appropriate laboratory for carrying out the necessary analysis or test in relation to the goods in question. The district forum shall remit the amount deposited to its credit to the appropriate laboratory to enable to carry out the analysis or test mentioned, and on receipt of the report from the appropriate laboratory, the district forum shall forward a copy of the report along with such remarks with as the district forum may feel appropriate to the opposite party. If any of the parties disputes the correctness of the findings of the appropriate laboratory or disputes the correctness of the methods of analysis or test adopted by the appropriate laboratory, the district forum shall require the opposite party or the complainant to submit in writing his objections in regard to the report made by the appropriate laboratory. The district forum shall thereafter give a reasonable opportunity to the complainant as well as the opposite party of the being heard as to the correctness of otherwise of the report made by the appropriate laboratory, and also as to the objection made in relation thereto under class F, and issued an appropriate order under section 14. The district forum shall, if the complaint received by its relates to goods in respect of which the procedure cannot be followed, or if the complaint relates to any services, refer a copy of such complaint to the opposite party, directing him to give his version of the case within a period of 30 days or such extended period not exceeding 15 days as may be granted by the district forum. Where the opposite party and receipt of the copy of the complaint referred to him denies or disputes the allegations contained in the complaint, or omits or fails to take any action to represent his case within the time given by the district forum, the district forum shall proceed to settle the consumer dispute on the basis of evidence brought to its notice by the complainant and the opposite property, where the opposite property denies or disputes the allegations contained in the complaint, or on the basis of evidence brought to its notice by the complainant where the opposite party omits or fails to take any action to represent his case within the time given by the forum. No proceedings complying with the procedure laid down in subsections 1 and 2 shall be called in question in any court on the ground that the principles of natural justice have not been complied with. For the purposes of this section, the district forum shall have the same powers as are vested in the civil code under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 while trying a suit in respect of the following matters, namely the summoning and enforcing the utterance of any defendant and or witness and examining the witness on oath, the discovery and production of any document or other material object producible as evidence, the reception of evidence on affidavits, the requisitioning of the report of the concerned analysis or test from the appropriate laboratory or from any other relevant source, issuing of any commission for the examination of any witness, and any other matter which may be prescribed. Every proceeding before the district forum shall be deemed to be a judicial proceeding within the meaning of sections 193 and 228 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, and the district forum shall be deemed to be a civil code for the purposes of section 195 and chapter 116 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Where the complainant is a consumer, the provisions of Rule 8 of Order 1 of the first schedule to the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 shall apply subject to the modification that every reference therein to a suit or decree shall be construed as a reference to a complaint or the order from the order of the district forum thereon. Findings of the district forum. If after the proceeding conducted under section 13, the district forum is satisfied that the goods complained against suffer from any of the defects specified in the complaint or that of any of the allegations contained in the complaint about the services are proved, it shall issue an order to the opposite party directing him to one or more of the following things, namely To remove the defect pointed out by the appropriate laboratory from the goods in question, to replace the goods with new goods of similar description which shall be free from any defect, to return to the complainant the price or as the case may be the charges paid by the complainant, to pay such amount as may be awarded by it as compensation to the consumer for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to the negligence of the opposite party, to remove the effects or deficiencies in the services in question, to continue the unfair trade practice or the restrict trade practice or not to repeat them, not to offer the hazardous goods for sale, to withdraw the hazardous goods from being offered for not to offer the hazardous goods for sale, to withdraw the hazardous goods from being offered for sale, to provide for adequate cost to parties. Every proceeding referred in subsection 1 shall be conducted by the President of the District Forum and at least one member thereof sitting together. Provided that where the member for any reason is unable to conduct the proceeding till it is completed, the President and the other member shall conduct such proceeding de novo. Every order made by the District Forum shall be signed by its President and a member or members who conducted the proceeding. Provided that where the proceeding is conducted by the President and one member and they differ on any point or points, they shall state the point or points on which they differ and refer the same to the other member for hearing on such point or points, and the opinion of the majority shall be the order of the District Forum. Subject to the foregoing provisions, the procedure relating to the conduct of the meetings of the District Forum, its sittings and other matters shall be such as may be prescribed by the state government. Appeal. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the District Forum may prefer an appeal against such order to the State Commission within a period of 30 days from the date of the order in such form and manner as may be prescribed. Provided that the State Commission may entertain an appeal after the expiry of the said period 30 days if it is satisfied that there was sufficient cause for not filing it within that period. Composition of the State Commission. Each State Commission shall consist of a person who is or has a judge of the High Court appointed by the state government who shall be its president. Provided that no appointment under this clause shall be made except after consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court. Two other members who shall be persons of ability, integrity and standing and have adequate knowledge or experience of or have shown capacity in dealing with problems relating to economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs or administration, one of whom shall be a woman. Provided that every appointment under this class shall be made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee consisting of the following, namely President of the State Commission, Chairman, Secretary of the Law Department of the State, Member, Secretary in charge of the department dealing with consumer affairs in the state, Member. Salary or honorarium and other allowances payable to and the other terms and conditions of service of the member of the State Commission shall be such as may be prescribed by the state government. Every member of the State Commission shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 67 years, whichever is earlier, and shall not be eligible for reappointment. Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 3, a person appointed as a president or as a member before the commencement of the Consumer Protection Amendment Act 1993 shall continue to hold such office as president or member as the case may be till the completion of his term.